Guys, it's feel like a animation, guys. I think it's a animation type video game. So let's play. Hey guys. Hello guys. Again, same thing. Assignment day 4. Day 4. So stop the songs. So guys, there is the thing which I have to do today. As just tomorrow I have to submit this assignment of cloud computing. So there is the content I have to find out. Then I should write in this A4 size paper, but my mind has stuck it. I am writing something different things and then crossing these things like that. But slowly, I have figured it out how can I how can I speak clearly English like that. So working on these things, yes, guys, and that's today's work. Nothing do much more. There is lights shortage, guys, so I have frustrated from this thing, so I won't record it in daytime. After this, I have to complete this task as just tomorrow is the deadline of submitting this work. So preparing for this with music. Music is something like you can enjoy and do things simultaneously like that. That is today's update, guys. Nothing more. Also, I don't recorded anything because I today is a lame day. I don't do something productive much more. I don't have any moment that I have to capture. Then in the mess, same things will be served as there is nothing special, nothing tasty food I have creating these days. As always, nothing new. Also same setup, same things. Yes, guys, not using this board more time. Use sometimes for preparing my things. How can manage things like that. Also, one update is I have applied for more. I have applied for why I am opening Twitter. Wait a minute, guys. uh, I am finding some position for summer internship as I have some kind of things like I always try before much later. I always try much later for these things, this opportunity. So some opportunity I have missed. As always, I don't get more opportunity because I late applied to things. So fixing this thing, I have finding it from now this opportunity through this prompting. I have some company names, then finding some summer internship open source programs like that. How to prepare that is different thing. Now I only find where to apply. If something suitable with me, I have click on apply and do that thing. Let's see where this live going me. I have find one repo. I will share soon this repo. If this video gets 5 to 10 likes, then I share that repo of companies which, if you are a CS person, computer science is your domain, you can also get some job internship opportunities from this repo. Will share if you give me at least 10 likes, guys. I can accept that much. If my video goes some viral thing, then that can be possible. Until now, I just hankering for things just like that, guys. Also studying spiritual spiritual scriptures. Yes, guys, that is also needed in life. If you can't spiritually inclined, then you can't think what is your goal, what is your final destination, where you will go with your mindset only. For all these things you should follow some dharma, religion, and follow some you also follow the scriptures, you also follow spirituality. Like this I fully supported these things, guys, as that is the real thing. All other is just your miseries, just these material things all are. So I have also practiced these things. Now I have this karma. I have this karma, so I do this karma, not entitled with this my these things. Do my work, not entitled with the fruits of my actions. So action is much more needed. So guys, do my actions now and let meet day 5. As day 4 is something like nothing much more I have this on this day. So guys, let's meet in next day. Thanks for watching, guys. Today's nothing like much more content. So sorry for that, guys. Let's meet in next vlog. Thanks for watching.